Okay, 3 Lureplants and then summon birds. Oh hell, I don't have the bulbs with me. Yeah, I do. Okay. Now, I don't remember why I put that trap down or when I put it. I think it's a marker for something once upon a time. Actually, I would think 1 would be enough, to tell you the truth. Well, we can do 3. I don't know if I would be able to get the birds in them. You're kidding. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Oh, no. I so don't believe I did that. I did the thing with the birds and Lureplants, and I did not have fraps on. I turned it off to make sure everything on the filming was going okay, and I forgot to turn it back on, and I did the Lureplants and the whole bit. Son of a gun! Now I got 27 morsels, and well, there were 3 from 27 morsels, 9 redbirds, 17 blackbird feathers from those Lureplants I planted, and I had fraps off. Damn, damn, damn. I wanted to have a different, separate chunk of film, and now the Lureplants got into a fight with each other, and one of them ate the other one and digested them. That's why I don't have but 2 bulbs now. Okay, run, 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 Wiki. Wicker. Gotta stop calling her Wiki. The problem is, I like Wiki for her, but the problem is that, ooh, shoot. The problem is I'm not wearing armor. Now, did my armor get not that beat up? Okay. So what we're doing is Birds of the World, and whoever sent me this, please send me a note. I've got it in a notebook somewhere, but I'd have to page back and back and back. And these are not like neat notebooks. Like if I need a piece of scratch paper, I tear out an old page of notes and write on the back, or make a grocery list. Or when I say notebooks, if I get past a day or 2, I probably won't find the note I made on your comment. But somebody suggested a triangle of Lureplants, and then do Birds of the World, and then harvest the Lureplants. And I did that. I got, what, 7 or 9 Tallbird, redbird feathers, and what, a bunch, 17 crow feathers, and 27 morsels. So, all right. Now, the problem was getting in there to do this. Yeah, we're going to have to kill one of you, aren't we? Now let's try it. About dead. The fine art of eating. Oh, did I not put my armor on? You dumbass. Alright, now we have to kill him. Actually, I might do it again. What the hell? What is this? Some sneak attack crap you guys do? Oh shoot, what did, oh, I took the lure. I need it dead. Alright, now the other one. Okay, now let's see what we have. what was that, 3 summonings, I think. I guess that used a third of the book each time, so they bumped up the cost. I think it hits 30 points. You'll have to check Wiki. All right, 15 Redbird, 21 Blackbird, and 28 Morsels. So she's like, she could make darts from hell now. Now, where the hell are we headed? We're headed to, oh, we're almost there. So with the roads, it's really just a jog down the road. Okay, here's the Tallbird Nest area if you've never seen one. Don't think I won't run you through these spiders, because I will. I'll lead you so far from your house you won't remember your name. Queen. Well, that's to the good, though. Queen's not a bad thing.
Still on me, huh? Glad to know that stupid aggro has never been fixed. Come on, Queenie, don't wander off on me. I've never had a Tallbird and a Queen aggro before. They do fight spiders, but I've never had them aggro a Queen. Boy, that one's just going to stay on me no matter what. Holy crap, good grief. It's been, what, a night and a day? Oh, that egg maybe, but I don't think that's it. Yeah, I don't think the Queen and the Tallbird's aggro.
Okay, I tried to get I've actually had a Tallbird hit a Queen, and I never could get the Tallbirds to aggro her. Where's me sleepy time stories? Boy, it's just Queen-alicious. I might have brought the wrong spells. Son of a bitch. Good thing I fixed my health. Alright, Birds of the World won't help us. That won't help us. Is that the only spike I've got with? No, I've got the other spike.
Sleepy time stories. We don't need that. Oh, I'm full up. Okay. Oh, what's over here? Ooh, a lawn gnome. Me once. There's a lot of damn spiders that weren't dealt with. There's my sanity. Well, these spiders ought to aggro the birds. There's an adventure one where adventure test where I ran a bunch of frogs into a nest like this, and it was the frogs won, but it was a Rain of Frogs world. Probably should have armor on. Should have got the bats out too. We're using pies for healing.
Yeah, they're wiping out the Tallbirds. Okay, or not. Now you don't want lightning or thunderstorm around these nests because they'll burn them up and destroy them. Well, I don't know what else we can do with this. It's kind of... I need a lot more healing and... shit, I wonder where my... there it is. I don't want to get killed walking around without armor. Can I get through down here? I think I'm just going to head home, but anyway, that's the Tallbird Nest. And like I said, you don't want to do anything that involves fire near it. If I didn't have that warrior on me, I would have cracked that. In fact, if he's gone, I will. There we go. Oh, no, I don't want to go down there. I will take your tasty stones, though. And then I will run into the night and away. Son of a beast. Fudge. Damn. Where are we? I want to go that way. Wait till daylight. Wait till daylight. Stay out of my Lureplants. There you go. Oh shit. Hopefully I won't burn the Lureplants. Well, the hay walls make a lovely light. Wouldn't mind having the ash, to tell you the truth. Ooh, all kinds of stuff I wouldn't mind having. I see a nasty little devil. Now, these red gems make the lightning book. So we're going to have to do some sanity work and some... Okay, but anyway, I showed you a bunch of stuff. So the books are... I don't know. I think the books really make the character in her case. So we're rolling right along, and I'm not unhappy at all with the location of that. We could just we're at 94, 104, and I know I don't need it for food. I'm just eating it for sanity. Screw it. Okay. Need to get rid of some tools. Start some more jerky rolling here. That bird thing in the Lureplants is out of this world, because what I was doing in test was I would summon birds and then summon lightning, but I was needing to summon lightning twice in order to get them all killed. And by the time you summon birds and then summon lightning twice, that's a big old damage to your sanity. So you're getting a pretty similar result. I'd have to do a comparison at some point in time. Without something or other. Similar result without as much damage to your sanity. But that's like a crud ton of, now where's me wood? Now there's wood. This is like one of Woody's worlds. I'm doing more weapons chests. Is kind of long and short of it here. Where's the... Let me not burn up another top hat. My lantern. Yeah, it's still got time on it. Okay. But this is from... okay, that... I got about from 3 spells, the 2 before, wait, no, I did 3 this time, didn't I? 5 spells, I got about 55 meat, morsels, 25 redbird feathers, and 39, that's a lot of work. I mean, a huge amount of work to get that much stuff. Now, were we putting you guys in here? No. Maybe we should. I'm going to have to, I need to, well, we could get to McTusk late. It'd be better to get there with the whole, everything we need, and I'd like to have all this stuff harvested, and I think it's too late to do the food. And it won't keep all winter anyway. If I get this in and then magically make one more crop, it'll be sitting out here all winter, and it'll be what? 12, 14. Actually, that might be enough food to almost make it through the winter, is be out here in these farms. Plus, we need food to go on our journey to the McTusk. That walking stick is such a crucial part of gameplay. The tam would really be nice, but I can work around that. There's nothing I can do to make her go faster except find the ruins. So, I'll do the grass too. Okay, applied horticulture. There you go. And that's the winter's food. I thought that was 60 when we started. I probably saw the numbers wrong. Just gonna do a quick tour. That hole there, that wormhole, connects to there, I think, and that's where the igloo is. So hopefully that's what we'll be doing this winter. Now, this was a default plus world, so all these spiders have just lost their minds. And I would highly recommend not doing, it's not worth the stuff to me, it's not worth the stuff you start with.